Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use drawing tools in TradingView. Let's start by locating the drawing tools on the left side of your chart. You'll find a wide array of options, from basic trend lines to more advanced Fibonacci tools and geometric shapes. Once you select a tool, you can easily customize its appearance, including color, thickness, and line style, to suit your analytical needs. Now, let's explore some advanced techniques. Magnet mode is incredibly useful for precise drawing, as it snaps your lines to exact price points like open, high, low, or close. You can also save your customized drawing settings as templates, which is a huge time saver for consistent analysis. Furthermore, locking your drawings prevents any accidental modifications, keeping your charts clean and accurate. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give us a like. Staying focused during trading is key, and hydration helps. The Owala water bottle is perfect for keeping your drink cold throughout your trading day. You can find the link to the Owala bottle and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Putting these tools into practice can significantly enhance your trading. Use trend lines to identify market direction and momentum, and apply horizontal lines or rectangles to mark crucial support and resistance levels. Combining different drawing tools allows for more comprehensive technical analysis, helping you spot patterns and make more informed trading decisions. Remember, practice makes perfect when integrating these tools into your workflow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.